We're staying working in the My Bedroom 2014 file, where we have our own Gantt chart and our own tracking Gantt. Now, if we make sure we're in Guy's Gantt chart, so that any customization changes we make don't affect the default view. Now, in a Gantt chart, the critical tasks are not displayed. You need to go to the tracking Gantt to see that. Now, it may be that you wish to see critical tasks in your normal Gantt view. In order to do that, we need to create our own new bar style. So we're in our Gantt chart, because then any changes we make only affect this view. We go to Gantt chart tools, format, and then format bar styles. Now in here, you can see that our normal, active, and not manually scheduled tasks are blue. If we then wanted to add in our own bar for critical tasks, first step would be to insert a row. Then we need to give those bars a name. So I'm going to call them critical tasks. And then we've got to control the appearance. It defaults to the sort of grey dark colour. Well, let's change that colour to a purple. I like purple. We then need to define the filter that will drive the use of that bar instead of this bar. Now in the drop down there are choices, and certainly one of those is that these tasks are critical. But as well as being critical, they are also active and normal. So I need to add in multiple items. Now looking at the interface below, I see that dividing the criteria for the tasks by commas will let it work out that it needs to be critical, active and normal. One row height, so the bar is going to be the same height as the others, and to be displayed from its start to its finish. If I say OK, I should in theory get lots of purple bars, but I don't, because if I go back to the bar styles, what you'll notice is the normal task has not been told not to be used for critical tasks. So I actually need to click into here and add another filter, which is that they are non-critical. So then it will only use the blue bar for non-critical tasks. The value is not valid. That means the non-critical possibly doesn't have a space in it. It doesn't. OK. And then we see that our critical tasks go purple, but my normal tasks stay blue. So given our project, the majority of the tasks are critical, so they turn purple, but we do have this little patch in the middle there that is non-critical, and they stay the default blue. So that was all controlled under the format and bar styles and will only affect the current Gantt chart that you're looking at, so the current view. So these settings are per Gantt chart. I added in a new row for the critical tasks, saying that this is to be used for normal, critical and active. But I also had to edit the filters in the normal task view, the blue one, and add in non-critical as an option, so that the blue bar would not be used for critical tasks. That was simple enough. OK, makes those changes take effect.